Take a moment to check out the 2026 Subaru Outback. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, cooled front seat, power passenger seat. Rugged yet refined, that's the Outback. See for yourself when you take it for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.